Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a site icon to your website, site description, site title and website logo to your website. I'm going to do this without using any code, without using any HTML and CSS. So if you have designed your logo and site icon now, then this video is for you. And for some of you that are asking for the size of site icon, let me explain to you in this video today. Site icon is when you visited a website, like you have multi tabs on your website, like you are seeing on my screen presently. You can see this is the blog page of fastnowa.com. So you can see blog Fastnowas. You can see this small logo here. That small logo is what we call site icon. It helps people to easily identify your website when they have opened different tabs on their device, like I've seen here. You have one tab here, which is Namecheap shared hosting. You have another tab here from support tickets. You can see the logo here. You can see my logo. You can see this one. This one is Google. The logo of Google is here. And this one is Canva, the logo of Canva. Immediately you visit your internet, you can see this is the logo of Namecheap, logo of Facebook, logo of Namecheap. So it can help you to easily navigate your website. For more information, if you click here, you can see this, my logo here, Google logo, Upperlink logo, Namecheap logo, etc. You can see them there quickly and effectively. So let us go to this website, learn.fastnowa.com. It's one of my subdomains that I use to teach students about web design and anything about web development. Like I'm doing here, this is my rough website. I can use it to teach students, teach online classes. That is it. Learn.fastnowa.com. You can see this one does not have any site icon. The site icon is the default one, which is the globe icon. And if you can see it, what if you visit another website that does not have site icon and this one does not have site icon? How can you understand? We cannot easily understand the one to navigate to. So it makes people to get confused. It also helps people to find your website on a web browser, search engine result, like when people type for Fastnowa like this on their web browser, you can see this result that come up help us to get noticed quickly. This is our logo and this site icon here appears there. This is Instagram site icon, Facebook site icon, LinkedIn site icon, YouTube site icon, SEMrush site icon, etc. So to hide this one on your website, let us go to do it. We are going to use this website, learn.fastnowa.com. This is Sunny something. We are going to use it. So to use it, you click customize on your website. Just simply log into your WordPress dashboard and you click customize. Make sure that you get your logo and site icon designed already. And if you don't know how to design them, in this video I have got to cover. I will show you how to design them right away shortly. So this is the customize setting. So what you are going to click is you click header builder. You're going to click header builder. This is everything about the header of your website, your site icons, your site logo, your site title, your site description, everything. So we are going to click site title and logo here. And this is where you can select your logo. Make sure that you have designed your logo already. Logo size should be 500 by 500 pixels. So to do that one, you are going to click select logo. We don't have any media on our website presently, so we are going to design it. We are going to go to Canva and you click create design. You can enter your custom design here. So I'm going to enter 500 by 500 pixel. So after everything, you click create a new design. For more information about Canva, how to use Canva, simply open the description of this video. I'll drop down their link in the description. So this is where you can upload your logo. So I'm going to click upload and search for fasteners. This fasteners logo has entered. So I'm going to let everything be accurate. So it's good like this. You can see this one is removed already. It has no background. You see it is in PNG. It has no background. So after you have done everything, you have arranged its position properly. Then you click share. Click download here. Then select PNG. PNG is the best so that you can remove your background. So after everything, you click download. That is it. You will have it on your desktop. After I have downloaded it, because I have gotten this logo on my desktop already, so I'm going to this customize here. I'll click select files, download, under downloads, and see this is where I have logos, fasteners logos, everything about fasteners. I have them here. So I'm going to click here. So this is my logo. Then I'll say alt text is very good to add to any image that you add on your website. It helps search engine optimization. Those videos will rank higher at the best place in the future. That is why we add alt text here. And it also helps visually impaired people that they don't have good sight, because they use screen reader to navigate to the website. And when they navigate to the logo, it will tell them that this is the fasteners learn logo. Then they can know the reason why that image is there. So I'm going to paste this one here, fasteners learn logo, in the description, and I click select. So this is the place where you can crop the image. You can crop it here, crop everything here like this. So I'll click crop image. And see, this is the logo. Logo is now on our website already. This is the logo. So you can reduce the size. Logo width here, something around 100 is normal. This is very good. So this is the site title. So this is the function of site title, Sunny Learn. So I'm going to change it right here now. What I'm going to say is Fasteners Learning Website. I've changed that site title to Fasteners Learning Website. So this is the site tagline. The tagline is something that people read that can easily let them understand your website, what your website does. It helps them to know. This is the tagline, your description. So I'm going to write this is our description at Fasteners Learn website. We teach students. This is our tagline. Your own can be different. So the last thing that we need to do now is site icon. where you can change this globe icon. So to change the site icon, I'm going to click select site icon. You see that the suggested image dimension is 512 by 512. So you go to this logo right here. So I'm going to cut this out, cut everything out like this so that it can remain the icon. Site icon always have website logo icon. This first one is a text, but this FK is an icon. That's why I'm going to use FK. So this is just like this. I will make everything to center align properly. Then I'm going to download it. You can see we have FK now as a site icon. Site logo is different from site icon. Like this company, you are seeing them. They don't have anything, any character in their logo. This is upper link. This is their site icon. This is domain nameship. Their site icon is N. This is Canva. Their site icon is C. If you go to Facebook, their site icon is F. They design it, so our own should not be different. And to do that one, we have designed it already, FK. So when you are done, you click download here, and you download it on your device. I have gotten it on my device already, hence I will not download it again. So what I'll do next is I'll go to the customize. So I'll go and click upload files. I'll select files. So this is the icon, Fast Novas icon. I'll click on it, then I'll click open. As I told you earlier, any image that you add on your website, any media, image, you give videos, any media, just let it have alternative tags so that people that have visual impairment can easily navigate your website by using their screen reader. So I'm going to say this is the learn site icon, so people can easily understand it whether they have eye or they don't have eye, because people that don't have eye are browsing the internet. Do not say that if a person is blind, he or she cannot browse the internet. No, they have their own computer that read out something for them while they are scrolling the internet. So if your own image have alternative text, when their mouse is hover on it, their screen reader will read the alternative text for them. So I'll click select. So this is the way, this is the place that you need to crop it. So it's okay like this. I'm going to click crop. So as you can see, we have a new site icon here. This thing has changed now. We don't have global icon again, but here we have not updated it yet. So I'm going to click publish. If you don't click publish, then every of your change will not be published, will be wasted. So I'm going to click publish. Now it has been published already. So I'm going to click here, go here, and I'll refresh it. Now we now have site icon and site logo. So our site has different look now. We have logo here and we have site icon. So many people, if they come to our website, they can open thousands of tabs. Then our own will not be different. That is how I did to create a site icon for my website. So make sure that you use a 512 by 512 dimension for your site icon and 500 by 500 for your website logo. And that's it. To do that, follow these steps. And if you know that this video has helped you, please subscribe to this channel, give it a like, and comment with any question you have to ask via the comment section.